We turn now to the COVID pandemic. Tonight, the highly contagious Delta variant is the dominant strain in the U.S. It's hitting the unvaccinated hard, especially in America's heartland. CBS's Nancy Chen reports from Springfield, Missouri.
Tonight, federal officials are deploying a COVID surge team to help Missouri medical workers deal with a growing COVID crisis. In the past month, hospitalizations are up more than 50%, and cases have tripled at Mercy Hospital in Springfield.
The disease process is faster than before, and they are getting sicker sooner than before.
Dr. Mayra Juarez is a pulmonary critical care physician at Mercy, where the ventilator supply at one point last week was critically low.
It feels like a lot of people have let their guards down.
It's very saddening to talk to a patient, and all of them invariably said, I wish I would have taken the vaccine.
Researchers say the highly infectious Delta variant accounts for at least 75% of infections in 4 states. In Missouri, it's nearly all cases. Only 40% of residents are fully vaccinated.
This variant is just brutal. It takes no prisoners.
Deborah Carmichael lost her daughter Trisha Jones to the Delta variant a month ago. She said her daughter was unvaccinated.
It's just so excruciating. And they become so helpless and just destroyed by this virus.
Doctors are urging vaccinations to prevent deaths and large outbreaks, like the one at a Texas church camp, where more than 100 kids and adults tested positive. And although masks are still required on airplanes, many aren't complying. Earlier this week, an American Airlines flight from Charlotte to the Bahamas was delayed by a day when a group of teenagers reportedly refused to mask up.
Was being rowdy and not listening and not wearing their mask.
But in a bright spot today, frontline workers were celebrated at a ticker tape parade in New York City. The hometown heroes honored for their sacrifice and dedication.
And in Missouri, officials have reinstated a mask mandate at some summer schools, while the Mercy Health System announced today that all employees must be vaccinated by the end of September, or they could be fired, Major.